Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will learn the two codes to check if your Poco phone is real or not. Now to do that, just open the dialer app on your Poco phone. Now from here just dial *#06#. Now as you can see, these are the IMEI numbers of your Poco phone. Now from here you can compare the IMEI numbers on the screen to the IMEI numbers on your smartphone's box and make sure they are the same, just like that. Now the second code to check if your Poco phone is real or not is *#64663#*#. Now from here you can check the hardware of your smartphone, like the speakers, the screen, the microphone, and for an example we will test the touch of our smartphone. Just tap on touch panel. Now from here just test the touch of your smartphone, just like that. And these are the two codes to check if your Poco phone is real or not. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.